Right now I'm in trading, guys, about to execute it. XHG. I'm looking to selling that over the highs. I need to break this area. No, let's keep consolidating. But I can see there is a big volume here. As you see, big volume, big volume. Yalla, one penny, give me 1,000, give me 1,000, let me execute. Thank you, 1,000. Oh my god, I didn't. 1,300. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Wow, good trade.
Here we go. Money, money, making crap for money.